Hey, Graham, how's it going? Long time no see, my man. How are you doing?
Good. How's Hawaii?
Ah, amazing, man. Beautiful sun.
Yeah, what are you up to today?
Just coming from the studio, grabbing some lunch.
What kind of studio do you got?
It's a video studio. Video, audio.
I'm sick. I've actually got a couple of videos I want to shoot.
Yeah? I have a free afternoon right now if you want to check it out.
I'd love to. Let's go. Just around the corner.
Yeah, let's go.
So, for those with PolyB in their in-floor heating, what is the expected lifespan and what can they do to extend that lifespan through maintenance?
Another really good question. So we can't really determine the in-floor heating life expectancy. It's not the same as domestic PolyB. So a lot of in-floor heating systems are a closed loop system, meaning that they have no external water or new water or glycol systems. That being said, the expected life expectancy, I think, should be in that 28 to 40 year range. So they are lasting a lot longer than domestic systems. What I find the best when I've done structural integrity on polybutylene, and I've used an electron microscope, the ones using glycol systems tend to be significantly better off than just a water system. So if you could use a closed loop glycol system, and you're changing that glycol through every 5 to 6 years, that would be a really solid move and giving longevity to a polybutylene heating system. Again, that is not the answer. They do need to be changed out. You will get a leak, but best thing you can do is, keep that solid there with a glycol system closed loop.
That's great. I think a lot of people will find that extremely helpful.
I have done a lot of research on this, so hopefully this does help.
Awesome. Thank you.